Good morning, everybody. It is December 15th at 6:38 Central or 7:38 Eastern Time. All right, so this is today's plan of attack. So, big picture. Yesterday, I was actually looking for more of a confirmation candle to give some side of insight as far as if we break out or break down. But as far as larger term perspective, what exactly is it showing? Well, these three candles really do tell a story, and it's something worth noting for now. So this big topping wick right against this um, trend line going lower, right? This is a shooting star candle. Ideally, you like it to close at the lows and be red, but nonetheless, this big wick and closing right back below the trend line shows that the sellers were in control um, at that level. And then the next day, which was yesterday, we did consolidate there. Surprisingly, it was more strong than I expected it to be. It was also weaker than I expected to be. I actually expected to have a candle up or a candle down. Really didn't care. I just wanted more insight. But if we look at today's candle, so we have a reversal candle at a major trend line, and today it is breaking that low. So from a technical analysis perspective, if you were to trade ranges, things like that, this is basically triggering to get short. You put your stop at the high of that candle, and your target would be the lower part of this trend line. So that's big picture, but that's with not acknowledging other support and resistance levels along the way. So I will say that this 3960 level has been insanely strong. Every time we touch it, we bounce. So I do think if we get to that, that is going to be a serious level to be considering a potential bounce. And as we are going lower, you see we're going down to key, like I said, support levels and moving averages. So let's pull up our economic data before continuing. So yeah, at 8:30 Eastern Time, we do have core retail sales and Empire State Manufacturing Index, things of that nature, Philly Fed, unemployment claims, and all that. So we'll see if that gets the market moving. But that's big picture. And if you're watching this, I imagine you're like, all right, okay, that's all great. What is your plan for today, though? So what is my plan of attack? Plan of attack is this. All right, so big picture going down. If you're unaware, just a quick recap. I like to take positions from here up to here, or from here to here, or vice versa back down. It's just the three levels I take things, and staying in that mind frame, in that we'll say that sandbox, however we should call it, has really kept me disciplined. So now let's look at big picture. Price sold off, rallied, and then sold off overnight. We're currently down almost 1%, and we came right down to the daily 21 EMA, and we're starting to rotate. Cool. So if the daily 21 EMA is right here, price is consolidating, but price is also going lower. So today, my overall plan is really simple, but really being disciplined on it and acknowledging several levels. At the open, if we rally up to this daily 5 EMA, which is also the 30-minute 21 EMA, and this green line, which is the VWAP, if we rally up to this level, and then we start to get sell signals, and in this level right here is also where the daily 8 EMA is, right? So we'll be rallying up in a level, so we get sell signals. I'll look to take it back down, but be aware of the the daily 21 EMA is right there, and trail your stops and manage it as such. That's the downward move, and that's if the trend wishes to continue going that way. But like I said, we're coming down into some support levels, and to be honest, the market was a lot stronger yesterday than I expected it to be. So if that's the case, say all this is a daily 21 EMA test and the price wishes to go higher. Great, I want this to get above these moving averages, which is in line perfectly with here. So basically, I want buy signals. I'd probably hit the hourly 50, pull back to this level, and then that's when I would look to take it up after getting entry signals at this level. So it is, once again, a buy the dip, sell the rally type of situation, but it all depends off of those key levels. So just quick recap, looking for a rally up to here, sell signals, I'll take it down. Bam. All right. But what if we want to go higher? I'll change colors so we can, maybe pink would work. But say it's strong, right? All we did was tap here, and now we're going to go back up. All right, cool. If that's the case, I want it to continue buying, break through. We'll probably tap here, pull back. All right, cool. Bam, and take it to the upside. So that's really the plan. Just going to wait for that move or that move. But watch your position sizing, honor your plan, and that's pretty much it. And the reason I always wait for these retests, I know a few days ago someone requested that I cover some setups. So like yesterday, I waited all day for this setup to unfold. And the news came out, and we finally got the flush. And I did end up doing a call credit spread on the 30-minute 21 EMA. Retest and fail. Those retests and fails are something definitely worth watching. So here, I'll even open up my fills and whatnot so you can see what I'm talking about. All right, so while that's loading, so basically setup. So we had the news yesterday, right? So economic news or data, bam, flush is lower. And then this is what I was looking for. It rallied up, wham. Since the market moves fast right after news, I got my dots for entry. Now, and my sell signal against the 30-minute 21 EMA. I was all right, cool. I did the 40, I believe it was the 40, 30, 40, 40 call crash spread. I'll just pull it up right now. And we can talk about it. History, yesterday. All right, pulling it up. All right, cool. So, where are we at? All right, apologies. I know that was like all over the place. All right, so basically on that retest and fill, and I'll make this to where you see my time of the fill, so it makes a little bit more sense for you. All right, I know that took a while to get up there. Apologies, but like I said, got in at 216 right when I hit that 30-minute 21 EMA. Oh, wow, okay, I had the wrong strikes. I thought I did. Okay, so I did the 40, 15, 40, 25. All right, so I did it for 450, and within 15 minutes, locked it up for 70 cents. And that whole setup was based off of that 30-minute 21 EMA. See, it rallied up, started to get sell signals, sold the 40.15 right here, and then got the flush lower, locked it up right down here at this low. And that's how, when I locked up about 85% of the credit received on that setup. Quick trade. Just wanted to show it because it was requested, like, does it really work? I just wanted to show yes. So that's what I was, the goal there. But yeah, hope you found this video helpful. Like I said today, those are the key things I'm looking for. If it happens, great, I'll follow the plan. If not, then I'll just be disciplined and not take it. That's all I have for you today. Hope everyone has an awesome day as well, and we'll see what happens tomorrow as well. Take care, everybody.